Samsung's Now bar is getting even smarter. In this video, I'll show you how Instagram and WhatsApp notifications can appear directly in the Samsung Now bar, making it easier to view important alerts without opening apps. Learn how to enable and customize Now bar notifications on your Samsung Galaxy phone running the latest One UI 8.5/8 devices. Open the Samsung Browser app to your Samsung phone. Tap the search bar and enter LIVEBRIDGE and tap Go button in the keyboard. Tap on the first link of GitHub. Scroll and tap on the link in the download section. Scroll down until you see the Now bar version for Samsung and tap on Download APK. Tap the download. Open the app drawer and tap on My Files. Tap Download. Tap the APK file and click on Update. You need to turn off App Blocker first. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Toggle off Auto Blocker. Again, open the Samsung My Files app and tap APK file. Tap Update. Tap Open. Tap on Permissions. Allow both permissions. Tap the Notification Listener access and toggle on Live Bridge. Tap Allow. Go back and tap Post Notifications Permission and tap Allow. Go back and tap Rules tab in the bottom. Tap Bypass. Tap Allow. You can see the list of apps. Toggle on the app button you want to show live notifications on Now bar like Browser, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YT Music, etc. Now, lock your Samsung phone and you can see the live Instagram/WhatsApp message on Now bar. This feature helps you stay updated with live notifications right from your lock screen and always on display. And that's all. Thanks for watching.